Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I'm your host Vishakha Thakur. It's Monday, the day we bring latest updates from the main street. A bunch of curated stories in the Web3 space, giving you the flavor of market activity and the fresh deals struck during this week. Well, we have curated deals from varied segments in this show so that you, our viewers, stay well informed of the latest developments and also benefit from the action taking place in this space. And now let's have a look at the most notable deals of this week. So Elon Musk's AI company XAI has raised a total of $10 billion in fresh capital. The amount consists of $5 billion in loans and another $5 billion in strategic equity investments, Morgan Stanley announced on Monday. With this substantial capital injection, the startup aims to further expand its infrastructure and also accelerate the development of its Grok platform. Now, according to Morgan Stanley, the debt financing consists of a mix of secured bonds and term loans. The issue was oversubscribed, meaning that investor demand exceeded the available supply. In addition to the current financing round, talks are reportedly underway about an additional $20 billion share issue. Now, this could raise XAI's valuation to $120 billion, with some investors even talking about a possible valuation of $200 billion. Moving on. Bitcoin miner Bitmine Immersion Technologies has secured a $250 million private placement to jumpstart its Ether treasury. Bitmine signed a private placement for the purchase and sale of 55.5 million shares of common stock for $4.50 per share, yielding gross proceeds of approximately $250 million before expenses. Now, Musks led the raise with participation from Founders Fund, Pantera, FalconX, Republic Digital, Kraken, Galaxy Digital, DCG, Diametric Capital, Occam Crest Management, and Thomas Lee. Moving on, Galaxy Digital has closed a $175 million venture fund, its first with outside capital, as the company ramps up plans to invest in early-stage crypto startups. The fund, which exceeded its $150 million target, marks the first time Galaxy has accepted outside capital. Until now, the company had relied solely on its own balance sheet for venture investment. The fund targets higher growth sectors such as stablecoins, tokenization, and payments, as well as the software layers that support them. Moving on to the next important deal of the week, digital asset platform announced the acquisition of a Canadian crypto infrastructure firm, Bansa. The deal was unveiled late Friday and is the latest in a series of overseas acquisitions by OSL, which has been expanding aggressively since pivoting to full digital assets model last year. Now, with ambitions to be a major player in cross-border payments, OSL is also preparing to issue stablecoins, the cryptocurrencies pegged to fiat currencies. Now, Hong Kong's new regulatory framework for stablecoin issuers comes into effect on August 1. Moving on, Datagram's recent $4 million pre-seed funding round led by Blizzard, the Avalanche fund, marks a pivotal milestone for the project's ambition to create a sovereign Layer 1 blockchain optimized for AI applications. This capital injection is dedicated to enhancing real-time network performance, deploying the blockchain infrastructure, and preparing for the upcoming node sale and mainnet launch. Now, as the blockchain space continues to evolve, Datagram's innovative approach exemplifies the potential of specialized Layer 1 solutions to address emerging technological demands. That's all in this episode of Deal Corner. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.